Have you ever gone to bed telling yourself, tomorrow's the day, I'm waking up at 6 a.m. and taking control of my life? But when the alarm rings in the morning, your hand automatically reaches for the snooze button? Let me tell you something important right away. It's not about your willpower. It's not about laziness either. The problem is your environment. Today, I'm going to share 3 simple but powerful changes you can make in your room that will make waking up early feel natural. No struggle, no morning battles, just small tweaks that your body and brain will thank you for. Change number 1. Light is your real alarm. Your body doesn't wake up to your phone alarm. It wakes up to light. If your eyes don't see light in the morning, your brain still thinks it's nighttime, and it keeps producing melatonin, the hormone that keeps you sleepy. So no matter how many alarms you set, your brain says, not yet, it's still too early. The biggest mistake people make is having thick curtains or placing your bed in a spot where sunlight never reaches. The fix is simple. Let morning light into your room, even before you wake up. Use thinner curtains, move your bed to a sunnier spot, or even use a gentle smart light that slowly turns on before your wake-up time. Once your room gets that light, your body starts waking up naturally. No struggle, no fight. Change number 2. Your bed is for sleep. If you use your bed for scrolling your phone, watching shows, working, or even thinking too much, your brain no longer associates your bed with sleep. The bed becomes a place to stay awake, for scrolling, for distractions. The result? You fall asleep late at night, and waking up in the morning becomes a fight. Your brain is simple. It wants one space to mean one thing. Bed equals sleep. From tonight, set one rule: no phone in bed. Even in the morning, when your alarm goes off, don't stay in bed. Get up, even if you still feel a little sleepy. This one change alone improves your sleep quality and makes waking up way easier. Change number 3, your first morning trigger. In the morning, your brain is looking for a reason to wake up. Why should it get out of bed? If the first thing you see is a blank wall or your phone screen, your brain quickly decides, no rush, better go back to sleep. But if the first thing you see is purposeful, a motivational quote, an inspiring image, or even your clothes set out for the morning, your brain immediately gets a cue to take action. This isn't about forcing motivation. It's just about giving your brain a gentle nudge, a simple reminder of why you're waking up or what action you'll take first. When your brain has a reason, your body follows. So to sum it up, let morning light into your room. Keep your bed for sleep only. Choose your first morning trigger wisely. Waking up early isn't about willpower, it's about designing your environment. Try just one of these changes tonight, and you'll notice the difference tomorrow morning. Now tell me in the comments, which one of these changes will you do first? If you want to go deeper into how your environment affects your goals, check out my next video called Personal Ecology. It's all about designing your environment so the right actions happen naturally. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on habits and environment design.